Hello guys, today we're going to talk about tattoo. What is tattoo? Tattoo is a type of body modification where a specified design will be made by puncturing the skin with needles and injecting inks or pigments into the dermis layer of the skin. Why do people actually get tattooed? Sometimes people get tattooed due to the peer pressure where they wanted to look cool. Some wanted to express their art, which in this case is tattoo, and some tattoo their skin to represent certain entity or certain group, such as. And there are some compounds that are found in tattoo, which is carbon will be found in the black ink of the tattoo, mercury 2 sulfide will be found in the red color of the tattoo, cobalt 2 aluminide will be found in blue, cadmium sulfide will be found in yellow, and chromium oxide will be found in green color of the tattoo. So let's talk about the synthesis. Okay?
As tattoo is made from azo dye, the synthesis of azo compound started with the formation of nitrosonium ion. The formation of nitrosonium ion began with the reaction between a strong acid, for example, hydrochloric acid and sodium nitrate. Sodium nitrate will be protonated by the hydrogen from HCl and give us nitrous acid and sodium chloride. The nitrous acid then will further react with the excess of HCl, where the hydroxyl group will be protonated to form an intermediate, where water will be the good leaving group. The reaction proceeds to form a triple bond and the powerful electrophile NO+, which is the nitrosonium ion, will be produced.
To synthesize diazonium salt, first nitrosonium ion will be attacked by an aryl amine followed by 2 protons transferred from nitrogen to oxygen. In the second step, the structure will undergo rearrangement of the pi bonding framework where NN bond will be formed while NO bond will be broken. Next, the oxygen will attack the hydrogen in the excess hydrochloric acid, creating water molecules, which is a good leaving group. Last but not least, the formation of diazonium salt occurred after the elimination of water. Diazonium salt will form an N triple bond with 1 lone pair.
Synthesis of azo dye requires 2 organic compound, which is diazonium salt, and coupling component, which is beta-naphthol or naphthalene derivative, through an electrophilic aromatic substitution mechanism. Beta-naphthol direct the aryl diazonium ion to the alpha carbon to form a new product, which is para-red azo dye. Azo dye breakdown due to the bacterial action or the presence of UV light from the sun, producing primary aromatic amine, which shows carcinogenic and mutagenic characteristics. Red azo dye will be degraded by the UV light from the sun, undergo reductive cleavage reaction to form primary aromatic amine, which is para-nitroaniline. Para-nitroaniline may have an effect to the human blood. This may result in the formation of metahemoglobin and anemia, which is carcinogenic to the human.
So now we're at the end of the video. So now you know what is tattoo, why people are getting tattooed, what are the compounds found in tattoo, and how does the synthesis of azo compound works in tattoo. Is tattoo harmful? The answer is tattoo is not as harmful as drinking Clorox, but it does contain some harmful components where it can give some side effects such as skin infection, keloid scarring, complication with MRI, and hear me out, it can also hide possible signs of cancer. So now the decision is in your hand, and the question that you should answer is, do
We
Really need
Tattoo
on our body.
think.